posterior deltoid. Okay?
Shoulder extension, the toilet paper.
Ideal. Teres major, latissimus dorsi, and posterior deltoid. Okay? So, and also remember, you know all those muscles are on the back, which should make sense with the line of pull with the shoulder extension being this motion. Okay? Alright, so. Okay, yes, okay. Now, what's next? Okay, while she's sitting up, I'm gonna go ahead and show you scaption and horizontal AB and AD duction. Scaption, horizontal AB and AD duction. These I'm just showing you so you're familiar with them. You will hardly ever see these being actually tested, okay? Because if they're having issues with scaption, if you look here on where's scaption go? It's not on this one. It's over there somewhere. So if the muscles that are affected with scaption are also some of the muscles that are affected with shoulder flexion. So you're more likely to do a shoulder flexion motion than the scaption motion. Okay, so the scaption motion is right between shoulder flexion and abduction. It's straight in the middle. Okay, so for the range of motion, manual muscle, for the range of motion testing, what you're going to do is you're going to have the exact same placement, and then once they go into scaption, you're going to bring your goni over to the back part of the arm, and then try to get her in scaption. Okay, so and then manual muscle testing is the same. Put them in that motion, and then do 2 fingers and 4 fingers. Okay. All right. 4. Relax. Okay. Any questions about scaption?
Is there like a specific term for where the fulcrum goes?
So the fulcrum will start at the gradient of tuberosity to get them to at least to shoulder flexion, because most of the time what happens is you have to put them in scaption. Okay? Now, if they are ones that you can actually put in scaption, you can go to the lesser tuberosity of the humerus behind and then go up. Okay? All right. So, horizontal AB and AD duction, have your arm here at 90. Okay? So, the goni placement is the same here. You're going to put the goni on the acromion process, the fulcrum on the acromion process, with both movable and immovable arm parallel to the actual arm. Okay? And then what you're going to do, get behind me. Okay, Leslie, when I say go, I want you to try to cross your arm across your body.
Okay.
Okay, so acromion process, and then you can use the olecranon process as a straight line here. Okay, so on, when I say go, I want you to punch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, and then I'm going to take the movable arm and follow the arm that just moved. Okay, all right. All right, say, then go back to that same motion. Okay, for horizontal adduction, so that was adduction, abduction. It's going to be the same thing, but Leslie, I want you to try to bring your elbow back like you're punching the wall behind you. Okay? All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, gosh.
Told me to bring it back.
No, you're going to punch me in the stomach. All right, relax. Relax.
Oh.
All right, now arm in 90. Okay, now punch. Okay, that's obviously a smaller movement. And she's about at 38.
Okay, that one's bigger.
We're not gonna be doing
No,
this.
for her.
Oh,
For her, this was
We're
a
not
smaller
doing
movement.
these, though.
Yeah, we're not doing these for the comp.
No, these are not going for the comp. Yes, this is going to be a larger range because you don't have the